Parts of speech confuse many English learners. In this video, I'll explain all of them simply with clear examples. So let's get started. In English, there are 8 parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. At first, we have nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Zane is a person, city is a place, and book is a thing. Example sentence: this book is very interesting. Here, the noun in the sentence is book. Remember, nouns are the names of everything around us. Next, we have pronouns. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repeating it. For example, Zane can be replaced with he, Sarah can be replaced with she, and books can be replaced with they. Example sentence: Zane is my friend. He lived nearby. Here, the pronoun in the sentence is he. Remember, pronouns are used to replace nouns and make sentences shorter and smoother. Next, we have verbs. A verb is a word that shows an action or a state. For example, run and eat are action verbs, while is and have show a state. Example sentence: he works in an office. Here, the verb in the sentence is works. Remember, verbs are the action or state words in every sentence. Next, we have adjectives. An adjective modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. For example, big, small, happy, and red are adjectives. Example sentence: it is a beautiful place. Here, the adjective in the sentence is beautiful. Remember, adjectives help us describe nouns or pronouns and make our sentences more interesting. Next, we have adverbs. An adverb modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, quickly, slowly, very, and well are adverbs. Example sentence: he speaks clearly. Here, the adverb in the sentence is clearly. Remember, adverbs help us explain how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Next, we have prepositions. A preposition shows the position, direction, or relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. For example, in, on, at, under, and between are prepositions. Example sentence: the book is on the table. Here, the preposition in the sentence is on. Remember, prepositions help us show where, when, or how things are related. Next, we have conjunctions. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or clauses. For example, and, but, or, and because are conjunctions. Example sentence: I wanted to go, but it was raining. Here, the conjunction in the sentence is but. Remember, conjunctions help us connect words, phrases, and clauses to make sentences smoother. Finally, we have interjections. An interjection is a word that shows emotion or reaction. For example, oh, wow, hey, and oops are interjections. Example sentence: wow, that's amazing. Here, the interjection in the sentence is wow. Remember, interjections are used to express emotions in a sentence. That's it. These are the 8 parts of speech in English. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow for more English tips.